Hi, my name is Scarlett Sanchez, and the book I am going to be talking about today is Trombone Shorty. So, can you imagine starting a band at just 6 years old? That's exactly what Troy Andrews, also known as Trombone Shorty, did. Trombone Shorty grew up in New Orleans, and he actually grew up in one of the oldest African American neighborhoods in the United States. And all around him, all he heard was music, from music being played on the streets to his older brother playing his trumpet. And they were so creative that they even played music without even having an instrument. So one day, Troy Andrews finds this trombone that's just thrown and doesn't belong to anybody, and he decides that he wants to learn how to play this trombone. Well, Trombone Shorty is very young at the time, and this trombone is so big and so heavy that it knocks him over completely. And he is successful in learning how to play the trombone. So later on, Trombone Shorty is participating in this jazz festival that is held in New Orleans. And he's heard playing there just amongst the crowd, and Bo Diddley hears him and decides to ask him to join the stage to play with him. So this amazing picture book autobiography, you have to read it so you can see how Trombone Shorty overcomes so many obstacles, achieves his dreams, and he also shares the stage with somebody else. And I'm not going to tell you who. You're going to have to read to find out another really famous person that Trombone Shorty has the pleasure of playing with.